High plank pose, mountain climber to squat jump. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. And please watch the video to the end without missing my instruction to tell you how to use this exercise for your training. This exercise will work for your cardio, shoulders, triceps, abs, core, lower back, and your legs. If you're doing this fast, will help you burn fat more easily. So, stay focused. Let's get started. Get into a high plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. This is starting point. Now take inhale, following exhale pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Keep your foothold up without touching the floor. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Keep your hips down and run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. Remember, I need you to do 4 repetitions of mountain climber. If you start on left, will be left right. After 4 repetitions of mountain climber, jump your both leg and lift your hand to squat position. Now take inhale, following exhale and do the squat jump. This is 1 rep. Repeat for the selected number reps you have chosen to use. This exercise is good for cardio training if you do it fast. When you're focused on the move, you might find yourself holding your breath. Please, remember how to breathe. Check my moving. I am do this exercise by jumping my leg move for faster. My workout routine for this exercise is 10 reps by 10 set and rest 10 to 20 seconds between sets. How about you? Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.